Namaste. Hi, my dear students. So, good afternoon. Welcome to our RVNN classes. Students, you know that already, so this is a chapter 4. You already know that because complete up to 1 to 4C exercise already completed. The same chapter in fourth chapter multiplication. So, up to any exercises in 4A, 4B, 4C already completed in this chapter. So in this video, that is the last classes or last video students, because you know that today just I will discuss that that is a worksheet students. Yes, today we are going to learn that is a worksheet is that is yourself, but I will so some questions to I will solve some discussing that. So next so remaining questions means you want to solve in your home. Okay, students. So you have to take to in your parents or parents you have to take for it that help. Okay. So yes, let us start for that in the exercise. The exercise now that is a worksheet. Students, that is a worksheet. So worksheet was students, that is page number that is a 54. You have to open the page number 54. This is a lost. So next tomorrow I will start a new chapter. Okay. So that is what worksheet. The statement is what students state true or false. So you have to write the true or false. Solve afterwards you have to write the this is question true or false. So now students, this is the first question, that is the first main, that is question number A, 1330 into 0. So that we will get the answer 1134. So this is, you have to write, this is the true or false. Students think that so 1313 into 0. 1313 into 0, we will get the answer. So students, this is a statement, this is a statement you want question already multiple answer. So result also already here written that. So that result you know can see. So you think afterwards you have to write that this is a question. So this result or this that answer that is a true or false. Okay. Next, 2619 into 1. So we get the 2619. So students you have to write for here. So we will see 333 into 200. So we have to write for it 3330. We get the you have to write the statement. So next is D, 0 into 3. That is 300. So E, 636 into 1000. 6,36,000. Students, can you think this? Because this is you have to write it. This is true or false. So already some classes already I told you have to know that any number you have to multiple and divide. In that any number you have to take for that. You have to multiple and divide. So in 0, you have to take in any number. The left answer will be 0, because for example. 1 into 0 will get the answer is 0. 1 crow into 0, that is 0, because that is we are multiple or divide in any number you have to take in 0, that is result will be 0. Because students, what for here 1313 into 0, so answer we will get 1313. This is right or wrong? Because this is the wrong. So this is complete multiple, we will get the result is 0, because the result is 0, but we are given that answers 1313. So you have to write. Students, this statement is B1, 2619 into 1. Yes. 690. So we'll get the result also same, because one multiple in any number, result will be that is same. So you have to write for them. This is a 3. So next, students, so 333 into 200. 333 into 200. So you have to multiply. Students, already I told when we use the trig method. So already the result also you will given that. So 333 into 200. You have to take it first multiple in the number. You don't take for 0. How many zeros here? 2 zeros. You know, 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. Students, what is that result? So what for here? 6, 6, 6, 0, 0. So this is a true or false? Can you think, students? Because this is a false. So here written that answer is what? 33,300. But that real answer is that what? That is a 66,600. Because this is a statement is this problem is false. Next, students. So next you have to think, so you have to solve it, because you know multiple is 0, because the right for 300, this is a true or false? Yes, this is a false. So next, students, this number and this you have to multiply. 300, 636 into 1, 636. How many zeros is left? Here 3 zeros is left. Here written 3 zeros, because that what is the that result? So 636,000, because this is a true. Yes, so now the first mean already true or false they have discussed. So next, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks, can you observe, students, in fill in the blanks in same. So in worksheet means that is exercise A, B and C are solved. Some that are all methods. So you will write for one worksheet, because that is worksheet is yourself. But I will solve it in two questions. So remaining exercise, remaining questions you have to solve for in your own. Okay. Students, in second, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks, I will show you in two questions. So next I will do the today's assignment. Fill in the blanks. The first mean 4 into 300. What is the result? So you know that first you have to do multiple these two numbers. 4 into 3, that is 12. So how many? 1,200. So that result will be 1,200. Okay. So next, B. 1,331 into 0. The answer will be 0. Because multiple any number you have to multiply 0 will write in 0. Okay. So next question. So C is very easy, because you have to write for C is 1. 946 into 1, you will get the result is same, that is 946, because you have to write for year 1. Okay, students, that is 1. So next I will give to D and E. So today's assignment. Next I will solve to in find the product. So find the product means that is you will use a product, you know, that is a multiplication method. So we'll use the multiplication method. So how many it is multiplication? It is multiplication, students. Can you observe that? In third way, find the product. Find the product in 630 into 606. So you have to write for that. Students, first you know already followed some exercise already I solved that. So first, what is the first step, students? The first step is you have to arrange the numbers. So 630 into 600. Students, so first you have to multiply that in places. What is the number? This is the down you have to take this. First you multiply in 6. First 3 afterwards 6 afterwards 1 after that is a 6. 6 3 is 18. Yes, you have to write the carry. 6 1 is 6. This one 7. 6 is 36. Yes, students, that is the inward places. Now we have to complete it. So you have to write in first. Complete it afterwards. First inward places you have to write the plus. So So next, you know that 0 into 3 years, 1 0 0 into 0. Yes. Next, you have to write the two process. So next is the 6, 6 3 is the 18. So 1 carry, 6 1 is 6, this one, 7, 6 is the 36. Students, so what is the next steps? Now next step you already know how to count it. This is the 8, here 7, 6 plus 8, that is a 14, here 1 carry. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, calculate here 1, 7, 6. Students, what is the result? So result will be here. So 3,71,470. You have to write for here 3,71,478. So what is the result? The result will be 3,71,478. That is a multiple of the product of 313 and 306. We will get the result. The answer is, that is what, student? So 3,71,478. Students, in again two questions in B and C. So you have to solve two in U. Okay, next. So one question I will solve two in next word problem, students. So word problem is, you know that next you go to the fourth main. Vaibhava can write 164 words on a page. Yes. How many words he can write on 138 page? Students, in one page is Vaibhava. So can you observe this question? What? Vaibhava can write 164 words. So Vaibhava is, that is written the words or write the words. How many words, students? That is 184 words. That is the 184 words. But students, in on a page, that is in on a page means in one page. That one page is how many words is written? So is written that 184 words. So students, next you can observe that how many words you can write on 138 pages. One page is written of the 184 words. So you have to calculate 138 pages. How many words you have to returning, or that just you have to write the question mark. Question mark means you have to multiple in both numbers. Okay, so now can you observe? So I will write to direct answer, students. I will not write the question. So Vaibhava can write students. So Vaibhava can write on one page can write the students. Vaibhava can write that on one page. Students, that Vaibhava is how many words? 184 words. How many words is written? That next Vaibhava can write on 30 pages is written that 164 words, but you have to calculate, you have to find, so that what that Vaibhava can write. So in 138 pages, in how many words is written that? So that means you have to calculate that. Okay, so next you have to write Vaibhava can write on 138 pages. So that is a question mark, means you have to multiply this number. Students, you know that one page means 84 words. So 138 pages. How many words you have to multiply this? Multiple means you just not given means the question mark you have to consider the x. We use the two method, but I will use here now that in multiplication method, students. So you have to go to higher classes. So came to this in a different method. Okay. So now we have to multiply that here. So 184 into 138. So use the multiple. 184 into 138. 8 4s are 32. So we have to write for here. 8 is 64. 64 in 67. So 8 1s are 8 plus 6. 14. We have to write here plus. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry. 3 8s are 24. 24 1 25. So 3 1s are 3. This student 3 1s are 3. This again plus 2. So that is a 5. We have to write here plus. 1 4 is a 4. 1 8 is a 8. 1 1 is a 1. We have to write for here 2 9 13. So that what 15. Here, students, what is the result? 25,392. So the number of words, students, in that Vaibhava, 108 pages. How many words is written? So 25,392 words is written of that writing of. So you have to write for here. The Vaibhava can. So the words Vaibhava write. The 25,392 words. So Vaibhava can written can write on 138 pages. Okay, 25,392 words. Students, Vaibhava can write on 138 pages of the total words. So Vaibhava can write on 138 pages the total words. The total words 25,392 words is written. So very easy, students. So next question. So next two problems is very easy, students, because that already this types questions already I solved that. So next question is, that there are student, there are 516 mangoes. So just I will explain that question. Can you observe this? There are 516 mango trees in that is total mango trees is 516 students. The orchard, a man is booked that is what 444 mangoes from each tree. How many mangoes did the pluck in the all? So you have to multiply this. So next also very easy. In last question, already given this question is given to that is the words, because already I show the question. Already I showed you that fourth one. So because in fifth, sixth, I give to in your assignment, because that worksheet is that do yourself. But already I showed. I will show to some questions. Already I solved some different problems. Okay, students, and thank you. So next classes, I will started in a new chapter, that is so the basement of the mathematics is already addition, subtraction, multiplication is completed. So tomorrow I will start at a new chapter, that is a division. Okay, students, and thank you. So compulsory we have to write the notebook in classwork. So that I will give to some remaining questions, means you must and should you solve it in your own. So you have to take to your parent help. Thank you, students.